let's get natural and use different seeds to make a Rangoli. First of all, apply adhesive and paste soft seeds in the center part of the picture. Now, paste masoor dal seeds outside and kalonji seeds on the inside of the soft seeds. Apply more adhesive and paste the kalonji seeds in the vertical and horizontal columns given in the picture. Now, paste the yellow moong dal seeds around the kalonji seeds as we do here. In the end, apply more adhesive on the outside corners and paste the red masoor dal seeds. And this way, you have just learned how to make a Rangoli using a variety of seeds.